Wairire ubio mwancho murigirire ndonsi asore karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chawono omorogoba litukeriga lituko lire eria Jumanne karibu sana sinjira iri yabene litariane Matildah Obaigwa na kurwase vimanyirire nere veni enyaboke ana kirongo chake Ekeonga kurwase bunge nene ekamati kuse komiti eri okorigereria amangana y'oburendi mensi ya Kenya nigobono banyare usikuganio kuiranirwa no muwaziri oburendi bw'imosike onesmas chumba murkomene bagusanga kurase bunge sasa magacho y'obunge yo Nairobi igobono murkomene anyarionera egati borai baria baire bwaterania asogokora kusasugukirania obusari chinsemo echinga nigo akubura okuburendi okugorogoro kiasi chinsemo yense kubwatekana kiribu na barai serikali
I am happy that now there is a conversation. Everybody is crying about gangs. There was a time it was monopolized by a few leaders. Now it is owned by more leaders and they are fighting with more leaders. So the whole place is chaotic. And the people who are causing those chaos are those in leadership. This is the right forum for me to raise the awareness. No amount of guns, bullets, tear gas can resolve this problem. Let me tell you, if you, a small county like Busia, not so small, if you are counting the number of police officers in that place, there are, very few officers, and they are focused on police station, general duties, administrative work, and so forth. To have even a rapid response unit there, maybe one unit. To have, you can't even have there, you can't say you have enough GSU. So, the first point of call when it comes to safety of the people is a society that has a consensus about living together in harmony. A dignified political discourse that focuses on issues. Competition that is around issues. I must say that I'm very proud of my county. Not to say this here, but Elgeyo Marakwet is one of the counties that has no single criminal gang, no goons. It is the only county where, I was a senator just the other day, you can give a lift to your opponent. You're going together to a baraza. You talk, and you can even ask your opponent, this idea 5,000, because where you are in office, now unaweza peana 50 kwa harambee, this idea 10. People laugh after the campaigns and they go home. But in a number of counties, leaders cannot just come to church. Merely church function is impossible. You go to some church arambes and you cannot even.
Na umukonyo w'umurai wense mosike Professor Kithure Kindiki ni gobono litukorero anyari gusangana bamenye ase kaunti ya Meru gusa Meru yo toka Kenya kinga kicho nigatebire bigatari biro byo gwaka siasa korende nigatebire ngana chikwira ni roboti rwaye ekero entunda gusita moyeiga yaye yuburai irachikwera asobono anyari kubagikeria bari asensemo yo kwamereria serikali na goteunere na chikwene kyokorire ensemo yaye uika inyare wikirana.
Mimi wakati wa campaign next year nataka nikuje hapa nijitetee. Mimi nitajitetea na Meru Level 6 Hospital. Mimi nitajitetea na Kakoromone Market. Mimi nitajitetea na barabara za Meru Town. Wale wengine waende wasiende. Waende one way. Waende one way. Wangapi wanasema waende one way. Meru hoy. I want to talk to my brothers and sisters who are competing with William Ruto and Fireman that the contest next year has been defined. Every leader will account for their time in office and will say what they did to empower the community, to empower the people. Na mimi nataka nionye hao mambo ya kuleta sarakasi na matusi haitasaidia. Mambo ya kuleta kiburi na madharau haitakusaidia. Kila kiongozi atasimama na ile kazi ameletea wananchi. We have no option. We must support William Ruto next year. We have no option. We have no option as a community. We must support William Ruto. Ndio amalize, afanye 2 term yake, aende retire, aungane na Uhuru Kenyatta, waende retire, alafu namna hii. Niseme.
Wancho muligiria kubwatikana no kurubikana huku kwa rubirio korekana rituko ria rero asicinsemo ni gobono gutanyara kuikirana kurindi me yomochi o Nairobi nigo egatia basae ose mubaro muke wa basae nyara kuruka na boigo kwaka iliogi anamuno igoro yerigori ria petroli ime yense ya Kenya kurindi banyanyimbo nigo banyara gwikirana roro na boigo gukanya na kubeka obotoereru chinga kiecho nigo bono abakenya baburi goti babasa gutwara bonde bwensi banyare kugendereria ubonchorere babo na boigo magimabo ikiagira serikali na negative na abakenya bonsi banyoro burindi wisen.
Down with fuel prices! Down with fuel prices! Down with fuel prices!
We have to talk. We are tired. We are here because of serious business. We are here because Kenyans are suffering.
Yeah,
we are here because
suffering.
we have reached a point of no return. There's no way this can continue happening in our country. No, we have a government. What's the role of the government?
Na uchumi uendelee, amani iendelee, kila kitu iendelee sawa. There's nothing to worry. So far we have arrested 11. I will take them tomorrow. To charge hawa. Hakuna story nyingine.
Bwana anasema biashara ziendelee na wamefunga maduka.
Wachana watu wachache ambao wanasaidia wengine ambao wanaandamana. Wachana, but you can see 98% of the business are on. And we are witness to that. Mpende nchi yenu hata nyinyi. Hata yenu kulete taharuki hata nyinyi. Don't bring fear. Why you bring fear? There's no fear.
Murai wekia magia DCP umoskeri gathigashagwa nigobono anyare gotogia abasai minsi ya Kenya asogo sanga ebirengira byabo asemangana yuburai na kubomono igoro ya uchumi yense umoske gashagwa chinga kecho nigo abore basae nonyana bo banyare gwesokia sobonge kiroboraganie chindoto cyabo cyuburai obuye kinyare gwikirana banyare kwirike buna abakicikura ase mubaro uri igoro mono.
I want to take this opportunity to appeal to our young people, the Gen Zs. The people of Kenya are looking upon you to liberate this country because you are fearless and you are tribeless and you cannot be manipulated and bribed with money by William Ruto. I want to ask the Gen Zs, my sons and daughters, my grandchildren, Kenya, our motherland, looks upon you to save this country. You are the only vote that we know that cannot be compromised. I want to commend you for what you have done so far, creating awareness among the people of Kenya through the smartphone. But I want to appeal to you, my children, that the real transformation of this country will take place on the ballot box. And the tools of change that you need is the ID and the vote. I want to ask all the Gen Zs in the remaining 9 days to come out in millions and register as voters so that next year you can lead all of us because we trust you. We believe in you. You cannot be compromised. You are steadfast. You lead us into getting the real transformation of the Republic of Kenya by making William Ruto one term and getting new leadership in this country. I want to tell the Gen Zs to bear with us and forgive us for having hijacked your slogan to Kokedi. We have no ill will. We are just envious. We like it. We are supporting what you have started. We are saying you have done the right thing. You are leading and we are following. Let the young people continue leading us to register.
na surprise kiama gia ODM mense ya Kenya niko muraibu kiama ikyo museneta Oburu Odinga wono anyareko raria muna ikiama ikyo tikeri gochikogwa na inde atebire muna ikiama gia ODM nekenene muno tikye konyara akugurwa na chinga kicho nigatebire muna na chikwene kense oburaibu aye obwene kwanyarire gukorekana ane muno ase bari barachikurigia ibirogo ugo kurwanira amavuga y'oburai gwitira ase kiama gia ODM.
Ningependa kuwahakikishia nyinyi kama youth wetu mmeomba free and fair elections. Under my leadership I will ensure that there is free and fair nominations in our party. The nominations will be free and what? And fair. And the youth will have their fair. First of all, as ODM, we are going to make sure that we retain the seats which we have now. And we are going to make sure that we add even double what we have. Our opponents can say whatever they are saying, but sisi tunafanya nini? Tunaendelea. Hata wakitutukana, hata wakisema sisi ni nini, hata wakisema sisi ni nini. Lakini kuna mmoja wao ambaye amesema Oburu amenunuliwa. Mimi nitapeleka yeye kotini aseme huko Oburu amenunuliwa na pesa ngapi. Mimi siwezi kununuliwa. Na hii chama chetu ya ODM haiwezi kumezwa. Hii chama chetu ya ODM haiwezi kufanywa nini? Haiwezi kumezwa. Our party will grow from strength to strength. It can never be swallowed by anybody. It is too big to be swallowed. If you try to swallow it, your stomach will burst.
Oncho muligereria haina mange yanyora senchira yobwekera no gikoraga Chinsa ibire wigo Chinsa enye chiarero umorogo bakorinde tobosauska ikiagera miroberio ya Getembe TV negenderete na wigo gendera gusangana into kwetrase mitandao yeito yekerero veni nyaboke kroase bimanyererio chingro ko Matildah Obaigwa na kroase studio ya Kavre nere Eugene bakowaterana na Matunda wigo Elvis okonekeria chibichana Mario ya senchira engikera no tuaro boligererio bia emaragoba engia.
Ine nugane techi stage chichi saisi au lighting and effects, pipe and drapes, PA or sound, camera equipment, grip, LED